Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today we're going to show you how to decorate your home with some spiders.
Halloween is in the air. Hey guys, welcome back to Morris Manor, and today we actually just got a new spirit sneak peek, and this one is very different and very weird, and I'm very excited to kind of explain what it is. So basically, they started out trying to kind of make us seem like, oh man, you know, we're not getting a sneak peek tonight. This is just kind of a little thing they made for the beginning of the Halloween season as a spiderweb tutorial, as they've done many videos like this in the past. But then the footage glitches out, and you see this creepy cornfield kind of thing with this scarecrow looking thing up on a perch, and then eventually it zooms into what appears to be another massive towering prop, at least from what I can tell, because it has a lot of the draping creepy cloth from it, as well as it's just like its size looks really big, and I'm very excited to see what it is, guys. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the video again. I know you saw it at the beginning of the video, but I'm going to go ahead and show it again for all of you guys who might have just wanted to skip to the part of me talking about it or whatever. But anyways, let's go ahead and get to that again.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Today we're going to show you how to decorate your home with some spiders.
So as you guys can see, it's really cool. I'm very excited to see what it is. Hopefully the full footage is released either, I don't know, tomorrow or sometime soon along those lines. I'm very excited to see what this one is. I don't know about you guys. Comment your opinions on what it might be below, and I'm very happy we got a sneak peek today. So that's all I really have to say about it. I'm excited to see what it is, and I'm sure you guys are too. Thank you so much for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Make sure to stay tuned on Morris Manor, where Halloween is in the air. Happy hauntings, guys. Bye.